magical and incredible Honor Magic 6 Pro.
What's really magical about this Honor smartphone is it is number one, not just in camera, but also in screen display, in battery, in almost everything, even in water resistance feature, and also the supercharged feature. So there's a lot of worldwide top 1 ranking feature for this smartphone. So AI shopping, AI search, and AI travel. Because this smartphone, you can drag image or text to an app so that you can search, pwedeng image lang and text, and then drag it to Google so that you can have an auto or AI search. And aside from that, if na-search nyo na sa Google, you can actually do AI shopping because it automatically leads you to e-commerce or online shopping platform like Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok. Going to the Google Maps, it can actually locate your destination or if you want to navigate while driving. So it's really very easy and it's very convenient and it will help increase the productivity of all users.
Congratulations, Honor Philippines SM San Lazaro. Mula kung nasaan yung Magic 6 Pro, siya po ang mananalo ng Honor gift box. Ayan. So, naka-blindfold po. Let's start tayo kay Sir Michael. Sir, starts now. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2 seconds. Sige po, balik natin. Ma'am Casey. Alright. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Si Sir Michael, ang nakuha niya po ay Magic 6 Pro. However, Magic 5, sorry. Magic 5 pala yung nakuha mo, Sir. Ayan. So, si Magic 5 po yung nakuha ni Sir Michael. I'm sorry. Si Ma'am Casey naman, ang nakuha ay Magic 6 Pro. Ayan. Ang galing naman. Kasi 2 seconds. So, sure, kung nakuha niyo rin yung Magic 6 Pro mo kaya, si Ma'am Casey pwede yung panalo natin. So,